used to fall apart when you walked out the door. Try to hold your shadow, but it's not mine anymore. Every night I whisper love into the dark, but pain can't bloom forever in a shattered heart. Now I see the truth I couldn't see. Losing you was setting me free. I'm not broken, just becoming me. Stronger than the hurt you left in my memory. You were the storm, but I found my sea. Now I'm learning who I'm meant to be. I'm not crying, just letting go of all the love I used to know. I'm not broken, just becoming me. Just becoming me. I used to blame myself for every little thing, but love ain't supposed to make you feel like you're drowning. Now I wake up lighter than I did before. Your goodbye opened up a brand new door. I don't need the past to make me whole. I'm taking back my heart and soul. I'm not broken, just becoming me. Stronger than the hurt you left in my memory. You were the storm, but I found my sea. Now I'm learning who I'm meant to be. I'm not crying, just letting go of all the love I used to know. I'm not broken, just becoming me. Just becoming me. Just becoming me. Every tear was paving my way to a brighter, unbreakable day. Now I rise from the pieces you couldn't see. This is a real, reborn version of me. I'm not broken, just becoming me. Stronger than the hurt you left in my memory. You were the storm, but I found my sea. Now I'm learning who I'm meant to be. I'm not crying, just letting go of all the love I used to know. I'm not broken, just becoming me. Just becoming me. Just becoming me. I kept your picture in a pocket on my chest, right beside the heart that never got to rest. You were the reason every sunrise felt warm, but now I'm standing in the cold after the storm. I gave you everything I had to give, even the pieces I needed to live. 'Cause I loved you more than my own breath, held you close when I had nothing left. You walked away and took the best of me. I gave my heart, but you let it bleed. Now I'm learning how to live again with a love that never loved me back. Yeah, I love you more than my own breath, but you never loved me like that. I stayed awake through every broken night, hoping someday you'd finally treat me right. But loving you was like chasing after rain. I only ended up standing in my own pain. I left it torn apart, but I'm stitching up this broken heart. Now I'm learning how to breathe again without a love that never stayed. Yeah, I loved you more than my own breath, but I'm stronger walking you fade like the sunlight on a quiet hill, trying to hold on to something that was never real. You smiled at me like love was on your mind, but I was only a heart you left behind. I waited longer than I should have stayed, hoping you'd choose me someday. Goodbye, my almost forever. The love I prayed would stay together. You were the dream I held but couldn't keep. Now you're a shadow in the places I weep. Goodbye, the story we never wrote, a silent tear in a trembling note. Goodbye, my almost forever. I let you go, though my heart says never. The path where we used to talk till night. Now every star feels dim without your light. I tried to change the ending written by fate, but you were gone long before I knew. Too late, I gave you love you never felt. Now I'm healing with the cards I'm dealt. Goodbye, my almost forever. The love I prayed would stay together. You were the dream I held but couldn't keep. Now you're a shadow in the places I weep. Goodbye, the story we never wrote, a silent tear in a trembling note. Goodbye, my almost forever. I let you go, though my heart says never. Bored out day, hooking out. You left me in the midnight cold. If loving you means letting go, then this is a pain I have to know. Quam gypsy book out. This heart will heal, but not tonight. Goodbye, my almost forever. You'll always live in my heart's a river. I'll carry you through dreams that ache, but now I walk for my own sake. Goodbye, the love I couldn't save. You're the memory time can't erase. Goodbye, my almost forever. I let you go. But forget you never. I try to hide the tears behind a painted grin, pretending I was stronger than I've ever been. but every shadow on the bedroom wall feels like your memory still standing tall. I said I'm fine, but I've been losing sleep. You were a promise I knew I couldn't keep. It's just a broken smile on a lonely night, trying to shine under the weakest light. I gave you every piece of me to hold, but you left me standing in the cold. Now I'm picking up what you left behind, a quiet heart you never tried to find. Just a broken smile on a lonely night, but I'll learn to be alright. I keep your letters in a box beneath my bed. They hold the words you never truly meant. I read them once and feel the sting again. Loving you was losing in the end. I said I'm strong, but some hurts never fade. You were the love I wish I never made. It's just a broken smile on a lonely night, trying to shine under the weakest light. I gave you every piece of me to hold, but you left me standing in the cold. Now I'm picking up what you left behind, a quiet heart you never tried to find. Just a broken smile on a lonely night, but I'll learn to be alright. One day I wish you held me tight when you see my fire burning bright, 'cause broken girls still learn to rise, and I won't let you dim my light. This broken smile on a lonely night will turn to strength in the morning light. You took my heart and left me torn, but I'm not the girl who'll stay forlorn. I'm picking up what you left behind, and I'll reclaim the love that once was mine. Just a broken smile on a lonely night, but tomorrow I'll shine bright. The rain is falling softly on this empty road, just like the love we carried till it overflowed. Your voice still lingers in the evening air, but when I turn around, you're no longer there. I held you tighter than the stormy night, but even love gets lost without a fight. Love faded like the evening rain, slowly drifting down the window pane. I try to hold the parts we couldn't say, but every drop washed us further away. Love faded like the evening rain, a quiet heartbreak I'll always explain. You were the sun I hope would stay, but love faded like the evening rain. Your footsteps echo in the puddles at my feet, a memory of a warmth I can't repeat. I whispered promises into the cloudy sky. but promises mean nothing when goodbyes reply. I gave you every melody inside, but songs can't keep a broken heart alive. Love faded like the evening rain, slowly drifting down the window pane. I try to hold the parts we couldn't say, but every drop washed us further away. Love faded like the evening rain, a quiet heartbreak I'll always explain. You were the sun I hope would stay, but love faded like the evening rain. Oh, huwag nung borkang don't know how to live with this heart so wrong. If loving you was meant to end in pain, then let the sky cry for me again. Fon tog ako ang jeb kai. Tonight I let the rain say my goodbye. Love faded like the evening rain, but I'll survive the ache you left again. Even though the memories still remain, I'll walk alone beneath this rain. Love faded like the evening rain, but someday my heart will shine again. Like the evening rain. But someday my heart will shine again. I hear your voice like whispers in an empty hall. Every promise you made still echoes on the wall. You said you'd stay until the night turned gold, but midnight came and you were cold. You left your shadow where my heart should be, and now your lies keep haunting me. Your promises still haunt me like ghosts that never set me free. You swore your love was here to stay, but you walked out and drifted away. I try to sleep, but memories are knocking down my sanity. Your promises still haunt me, they're chains I carry endlessly. You lit a fire that you never meant to tend, left me burning in the ashes of the end. I held your words like they were carved in stone, but they crumble every time I'm alone. You built a world with lies I couldn't see. Now every dream keeps haunting me. Your promises still haunt me like ghosts that never set me free. You swore your love was here to stay, but you walked out and drifted away. I try to sleep, but forever died before it could begin. Now every night feels like a battlefield, where your broken words refuse to yield. I try to run, but you remain a haunting love I can't contain. Your promises still haunt me, but tonight I'll fight for who I'll be. You took my heart, but not my soul. I'm taking back the parts you stole. The past may chase, but I'll break free. Your lies won't be the death of me. Your promises once haunted me, but now I'm setting myself free. She gave her heart like flowers in the summer wind. Every piece she had, she'd give again and again. She held his name like a quiet prayer at night, but prayers don't always turn out right. She hid her tears behind a gentle smile, hoping love would stay a little while. She's a girl who loved too much, held on tight to a fading touch, gave her soul to someone who walked away, left her standing in the break of day. She's a girl who loved too much, in a world that never loved enough. But someday she'll learn to rise above the girl who loves too much. She waited hours on calls that never came, still blamed herself when she wasn't to blame. She lit her world just to keep his warm, but burned herself keeping love informed. She tried to stay even when she knew a broken heart can't be fixed by two. She's a girl who loved too much, held on tight to a fading touch, gave her soul to someone who walked away, left her standing in the break of day. She's the girl who loved too much, in a world that never loved enough. But someday she'll learn to rise above the girl who loved too much. One day she'll find a love that stays, a gentle hand, not one that strays. She'll understand the strength she's made from every tear she ever gave. She's the girl who loved too much, but now she's learning how to trust, not in someone else who couldn't stay, but in herself she'll find her way. She's the girl who loved too much, but now she finally knows enough. She'll rise again with kinder love, no longer the girl who loved too much. heart kept calling you, but you refused to hear. I stood in lonely rooms with hopes that wouldn't die, but every hope I held turned into a sigh. I should've known love can fade like light, but I kept waiting every single night. Waiting for you was my biggest mistake. Gave you my heart for a promise you'd break. I wasted years on a love that wasn't true, holding on tight to the ghost of you. Waiting for you was my biggest mistake. A tearful lesson I had to take. Now I see the truth I couldn't face. Waiting for you was my biggest mistake. I kept your name alive like something meant to last, but you were living in a different past. I tried to make a home inside your heart, but I was gone before we even started. I should have seen the truth in your goodbye, but loving you made me blind inside. Waiting for you was my biggest mistake. Gave you my heart for a promise you'd break. I wasted years on a love that wasn't true, holding on tight to the ghost of you. Waiting for you was my biggest mistake. A tearful lesson I had to take. Now I see the truth I couldn't face. Waiting for you was my biggest mistake. One day you'll look back and see the girl you lost was meant to be. But I won't cry for you no more. My broken heart won't wait at that door. Waiting for you was my biggest mistake, but now I'm strong enough to walk away. Your shadow used to feel like home, but now I face this world alone. Waiting for you was my biggest mistake, but from this pain, new strength I'll make. I'm done with tears I used to chase. Waiting for you was my biggest mistake. I woke up thinking everything was still the same. Didn't know you'd walk away without a flame. You left so quiet like a shadow in the dawn. One blink and every piece of us was gone. I trusted every word you said, but lies were all you left instead. Heartbreak break came without warning, hit me hard like a storm in the morning. You tore my world apart with one goodbye, left summer night, but burned it down before it learned to shine. I held your name like a prayer I thought was true, but prayers can die when they're meant to lose. I fought for love you didn't feel. Now I'm healing wounds that won't conceal. Well, heartbreak came without warning, hit me hard like a storm in the morning. You tore my world apart with one goodbye, left me drowning with no reason why. Heartbreak came without warning, turned my sunrise into morning. You walked away like love meant nothing. Heartbreak came without warning. Oh, AJ, border code, why love had to leave me this way. You broke my soul without a sound, left me standing on shaky ground. Jebnoi border die, Jebalai border thorn. How could you walk with my heart undone? Heartbreak came without warning, but I'll rise again by morning. You took my smile but not my fight. I'll find my fire in the darkest night. Heartbreak came without warning, but this girl's spirit is returning. You'll regret the day you left me torn. I'll bloom again even after the storm. You used to hold me like I was the only light. Now you turn away in the quiet of the night. I feel the distance growing deeper every day. Your heart's already somewhere far away. I tried to ask, but silence said it all. Love can fade without a single fall. 'Cause I'm not the one I dream of anymore. I'm just a memory crying by the door. The girl you loved is lost inside the past, and we both know this love won't last. I see the truth you're trying to ignore. Oh, I'm not the one you dream of anymore. gone. I'll set you free, though it breaks me in two. Sometimes a right goodbye is letting go of you. I'm not